Alright guys, how's it going? I know it's been a while since I've done any videos, and just hella busy and some challenges, nothing too serious but just time consuming. And so I thought I would do something real quick and dirty, and this is a mason bee house, something that I got from Cabela's. I got it essentially free because I had a lot of bonus points with the Cabela's program there. And so it's a cyclist with a loud system going on. But in any case, so I just decided to do this, and using my new JVC video camera. As I said, I had some challenges, including equipment. And so what I wanted to do this year was try something a little different with my garden. I know in the past couple of years, I noticed that there was a lack of pollinators. I would have, particularly on my tomatoes, I would have a ton of blossoms, but they would remain blossoms. They would not form any fruit, essentially. And so what I want to do this year is actively seek out pollinators. So I got this mason bee house, and what I hope will happen is they will be attracted to it and set up shop. And I don't know about this year, but perhaps in the upcoming years, it'll contribute to pollinating my vegetables. This particular type is one with the removable trays. My understanding is that this is the better type. You may have seen some advertisements for the tubes, where the mason bees like to establish their homes and their brood. And with the removable trays, the idea is that you can actually clean and sanitize these things so that they don't develop any kind of disease. All right. Now these are pretty rough, as you can see, and so there's still going to be some work done on this to get it to where it's actually usable. My understanding is that there shouldn't be any sharp edges or anything like that, so I'm going to sandpaper these out, these channels, and try to smooth them out. And of course, polyurethane the outside of the unit so that it's a little more weather resistant. Okay, so this is something that was made in China, unfortunately, and the detail and the workmanship is kind of, as you can see, questionable, so there's going to be a lot of finishing. But yeah, not particularly satisfied with the quality of this, but I mean, look at that. But it might be usable. Like I said, I'm not going to make a big issue out of it this time around because this is somewhat experimental. I'm not sure how it's going to work at all. It may or may not work. But we'll just have to see. All right, like I said, I just want to do a short update on what's going on now. And it's March the 8th, so just prepping for gardening season. And this is the first major purchase of the year, a mason bee house. All right, if any of you guys have any experience with mason bees, I would appreciate it, because appreciate any information on it, because as I said, this is the first time I'm trying anything with mason bees. And you can read so much, but if somebody can just give some pointers or some of the things that they've encountered, that would be great. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.